Hello, my name is Dr. Apollo. So today we will have our general orientation of our training. So this is our online school, TPCS Training and Development. So today is our general orientation. So KPCS is Training and Development established in 2003. It taught courses like business, IT, tourism, MBA engineering, and many other courses. So let's move on to this is our main website. So there are many questions like what does the course consist of? So this training has a courses now. Each courses consists of 6 subjects, similar to OTHM where I was connected into school. So it's a qualification in the UK, formal educational system, except that it is free, offered for free. So when did the school start? So actually, even without OTHM then, so we've been doing a legacy work. For example, in 2007, I was a professor in Adamson University. I was joined the Poverty Elevation Initiative program. In 2010, De La Salle University joined their out-of-school youth program. 2012, University of the East, Alala Research Support for non-mainstream learners. No? So this course of evaluation also, of course, you will be finishing with quality. But don't worry, we will guide you properly. No? Okay, so before you get the certificate. So we have a limited online meetings. Most of our lesson is delivered via video lectures. And then questions can be addressed through community group. No? Who are the teachers? The teachers are the doctors in their respective countries. No? What are the goals of the program? So actually, our mission is to provide accessible knowledge to individuals for those people who want to develop themselves in management, IT, tourism, and other specialized areas. This is part of our initiative work now. So the question is how the lessons were delivered. So we have video lessons, lectures sent by SMS so that you will study on your own conveniently. So the routine involves studying through lectures, completing the assigned tasks, taking exams. There are only one exam a day. It's more on multiple choice question and some essay, not maybe like that. And getting certified. No? So the curriculum for each subject comprise 20 session or 20 videos. No? Then there is a summative evaluation at the end and formative at the middle. No? Okay, then there's a task assignment, supplementary reading. So each unit syllabus clearly outline the topics. No? So then there will be workshop to be done for writing. We are a partner with the other school as well. No? Okay, now question, what do we need to earn the degree? So very simple. No? Just attend regular meeting, study the videos, lectures, read the materials, complete assigned tasks, and then take exam, just like that. After completing 6 units, we will award uh, we call it training, no? Training certificate. So may I know if there's a cost involved? No. You will be all treated as a scholar. So, so having a degree offers wide range of benefits, no? Degree or training, no? Can significantly impact your life, serve as strong qualification when applying for a higher job, no? So that degree, you can use it for your benefits in the future, no? So degree of proof of your skills and dedication that will be delivered to you. Also highlights your potential, specialized fields. For example, you're taking management, IT, or tourism. So the degree will not only equips you technical skill, but also develop your critical communication, leadership, making you more attractive candidates in today's competitive job market. So whether you stay here or in in your home country, you can use this degree. This will be your lifetime uh, asset or investment for your success in the future. Okay, these are the curriculum. So usually for business management, there are season one, there are 6 courses: business communication, environmental scanning, personal management, importance of customer service, basic finance, fundamental marketing with planning. And second, season two starts with writing, operations management, business communication, accounting for non-accountant, leadership for management, and global operations. So for IT, we have also season one, computer architecture, web development, networking, communication with mobile, social platform security in IT. Season two, cybersecurity two, programming, system analysis, application, mobile and website, telecom technology, IT, information management in IT. We have also other courses like MS Office, logistic producing, and MBA. So it depends on your interest. So the school is actually mission is to drive sustainable development for you now to become a mentor of choice of learning solutions worldwide. Our mission is to serve as catalysts for meaningful social change now, empowering individuals and organizations to realize their full potential. Through innovative learning solution and strategic development, we aim to inspire growth with stronger communities, drive sustainable progress both personal and institutional life. Our philosophy: give a man a fish and feed him for a day, teach him how to fish and feed him for a lifetime. So we have also our culture, competitiveness, contribution, service integrity, and so on. So currently, we continue to uphold the advanced mission, vision, and philosophy we set forth from the beginning. So this is we are actually inspired by Saint Vincent de Paul. No? So living Saint Vincent spirit where I came from, Adamson University, empowering the marginalized, in line with Saint Vincent de Paul's value. So Saint Vincent de Paul's spirit emphasizes serving the poor and marginalized with compassion and dignity. His legacy inspires many educational initiatives that aim to uplift disadvantaged children. Some ways to embody the spirit of education include providing access to quality education for underserved communities, fostering nurturing environment that promotes emotional and academic, empowering children with skill and knowledge, break cycles of poverty. This is Saint Rose. No? She founded also Daughters of Charity. That's congregation of the mission that serves the community. So this is our driving force behind why you are seeing why we are doing this one in living with this spirit of Saint Vincent. So to help the community. That is the purpose of our meetings. So after this session, so we will start tomorrow. You will be receiving a first video to start your lesson. So you can go over this website is available. You can go over to. So if you have some question, we have a community question and answer. Okay, so I'll make it very short. No, I don't want to prolong it. No? Thank you very much for having and choosing us to develop yourself. No? My name is Dr. Apollo.